Hello learners, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how can you create a 3D hover animation in Webflow. Okay, let's start to do this. Okay, I sharing my screen. Okay, here is the Webflow designer panel. Okay, here is the Webflow designer panel, and I am going to show you how you can create 3D hover animation in Webflow. Okay, first I set up the structure of my page. Command E is the quick find. Okay, page wrapper. Then the main class. Okay, and we need to set the semantic tag of main. Okay, then command E. Then I taking a block and giving the name header section and I giving the semantic tag is header. Okay, and I creating this 3D animation inside the header section. Command to block. I giving some style of header section and height and it VS. Okay, and width is 100%. And display flex, alignment center, justify content center. Okay, then this div block came into the center of this header section. Okay, now I giving the name of this div block is I can give the name curves animation. Okay, and I giving width 400 pixel and giving a height of 400 pixel. Okay, I make the shape like a square. Okay, now I giving the background color of the header section is black, and the kite animation, the background color of the kite animation will be something radium. Okay, now I am going to show you how when I hover in this element, thus this element will work as a 3D particle, 3D element. Okay, so the setup is complete. Now I setting up the interaction. Now I creating the interaction. Okay, click on the interaction tab and element trigger, click on the plus, mouse move over element, be careful, I selected the cards animation. Okay, I selected the cards, then I giving the interaction on this card. Okay, so on mouse move, select an action, play animation. Please see carefully here, mouse X 50%, mouse Y 50%. That's mean this is the origin, the 50% from an end is the origin of this card. That's mean if we take it as x-axis and it as a y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, the middle point is the origin, because y-axis 50%, x-axis 50% and y-axis 50% is the center. Okay, then smoothing, there is default 50%, I giving it 70%. Okay, I clicking on the plus sign. Okay, new mouse animation is the auto generated class, I keeping it. Okay, so mouse x actions. Okay, I click on the plus action, which can be the action. The action can be the rotate. Okay, so here something need to do before this task. Okay, you need to select the header section and need to apply CSS CSS with 2D and 3D transitions. Set to need to set the self perspective and children perspective. This mainly created depth for moving something 3D element. Okay, I creating depth 100 pixel, 1000 pixel. Okay, that's it. Now I am back to the animation, curved animation. Okay, so I giving the rotation on y-axis when we setting up the y-axis as origin. Then when I move or hover on the right part, then the curves will be something back, and the right left part will be something top. Okay, so here is 20 degree. Okay, when the 0%, it will move 20 degree, and when it's 100%, it will move minus 20. So here you can see that when I when I moving on this particle on this place, this will move down this this part. So I need to set the first I need to set the minus 20, and on 100% we need to set plus 20. Okay, this is for the x-axis, and now for the y-axis, same as the y-axis, rotate, and it we need to give this animation on the, what is the rotation property? Okay, now I giving the rotation for 20, and on 100% minus 20. That's cool. Now we can see the preview. You can see how it looks like. It's really a cool animation. Okay, I hope that you can understand everything perfectly. I hope that it's very easy. Okay, thank you. If this video works good for you, then please subscribe and like, comment, and please share, and let me grow this YouTube channel. Thank you.